Hi, I'm Ali, lead tutor at Online Exam Training. First of all, I have to say, I'm honored to be in Online Exam Training's introduction video. Online Exam Training is based in Istanbul, Turkey, and provides exclusively online TOEFL iBT IELTS and advanced writing courses to students from around the world. We also provide educational services like proofreading, test design, and training workshops to students, universities, schools, and publishers. Now, let's talk about our online TOEFL iBT and IELTS courses because they're the major part of our activity. What our students find unique about our courses is that we use the task feedback instruction method. Simply put, the task feedback instruction method is like this. You download the course material and complete the task at the end of each lesson. Then you send your work to us. One of our tutors writes feedback on your work, which you can see on an online platform. Then one of our lead tutors gives you more detailed feedback in a video session, where your questions are answered and more instruction is given. Oh, another thing that's really good about our courses is that you never miss a lesson. If you have a family emergency or a job to attend to, you can postpone completing your tasks and come back when you're free. So you will definitely complete all of your lessons throughout the course. No worries there. Your tutors will also give you grades and marks for each lesson, so you're informed about your progress throughout the course as well. If you fail a lesson, we make sure that you review and do that lesson as many times as possible until you pass it. The goal is to maximize your practice because, well, practice makes perfect. To take a course with us, all you need to do is to apply. We'll give you a diagnostic test to determine that you're eligible to take our courses with guaranteed success. And don't forget, the diagnostic test is free. For more information on our courses and services, be sure to check our website at oetcenter.com. Right now, we're making more videos, educational videos, so make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you never miss anything. Thanks for watching, and see you in the future videos.